Hi everybody and happy Independence Day. These new little friends of mine have no independence at all. The mother cat didn't want them. She's really had a hard time. So, her first baby was born breech and stillborn. And I think that's why she had such a difficult labor. 3 of them passed on. But these 2 little guys are still with us. This one here is Harry Potter Barge. I named him Harry Potter because he has like a gold lightning bolt on top of his head. And this one's name is Yoda. He started off being named Goober, but we changed his name to Yoda because, well, Luke used the Force. We're using a hot water bottle to keep them warm when we're not around. We're keeping them in a fish tank when we're not around. Excuse me. But when we are around, they seem to want to constantly be held. You know, of course, kittens can't make their own heat at this age. They can't make their own body heat, so we have to keep them as warm as possible. And this is the most fun way to keep them warm, is holding them. I've got kitten formula, nutritionally similar to mother's milk. I think it's made by Hearts. My friend Michelle knows a lot about critters. She's helping me, learn how to do this, really. So, if you're fostering tiny animals, tiny kittens, they can't go potty by themselves like human babies can. You kind of need to get a rag, or this is a paper towel, and you have to rub them in a way that doesn't feel very proper. But they'll understand once they're older why we did it. They can't pee on their own. They need a little bit of help. Isn't that true, little ones, huh? Yeah. These guys are a little over a day old. They were born yesterday morning. Oh, so they might not even be 24 hours old yet. But these are our new little friends. These are the new little Barches. I want to say hello to you. Say hi. Say hi, world. This is Harry Potter. This is Yoda. Harry, use the Force. The formula jar says to feed them every 2 hours. But it seems like what they want is like a little drop here, a little drop there. They want to be held constantly. And, I guess that's what's close to mother's milk. When they're laying under their mother's belly, they do that constantly. And they probably take a sip here and a sip there from her nipple. I don't know. But thank you for watching. Happy 4th of July. Wave goodbye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Can you see his little paw? Bye-bye. Look you. Wanna wave? Bye-bye. One of them literally thumbed their nose at me. No lie. Oh, they're too cute. Thank you for watching.